Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I like to share another Olympiad concept based question from Algebra. And before that, I like to thank all my subscribers to inspire me to share question as well as solution with you. May not be International Maths Olympiad, but it is Regional Olympiad and questions from National Mathematics Olympiad. So let us start. The question is, solve x square plus y square is equal to x plus y plus 2, where x and y are integers. Can you guess the question answers? Can you guess what is x, what is y? When we are guessing, we may not get all the answers, or we may not justify that is the particular answer, maybe some other answer also. So we have to go logically to find the answer, because all the Olympiads may not be MCQ, or sometimes the question is asked to justify your answer. So I hope you have thought some numbers within this time. Yes, no problem. So let us find. So let us begin. I'll take all x and y term to left side. Then it will be x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 2. So next, taking x square minus x together, y square minus y together, I'll get this type of equation. So taking x minus 1 plus taking y outside, y minus 1 is equal to 2. So next is coming to analyze this. Here is one term, here is another term, and the sum is 2. Then what will be the possible value of 2? So for analyzing this, we should know a concept, or we should recall a fact that for any t belongs to z, t product of t and t minus 1 is never negative. Or it may be positive. So when neither of them is negative, because this is x multiplies x minus 1, it is y times y minus 1. When both are non-negative, that means they are smaller than 2, to get the sum is 2. What else? Else is when it becomes greater than 2. T multiplies t minus 1 is greater than 2 if x is greater than 2, and or you can say or x is less than minus 1. So we have to see this limit. X should not be less than minus 1, x should not be greater than 2. Same thing happened for y also. So what should be the value of x then, or y? This is I've written this is x greater than 2. It should be t greater than 2, because I have started from t this one, and t is less than minus 1. Same thing happens here. I can write x minus 1 is greater than 2 if x is greater than 2 and x is less than 1 minus 1. So what should be the value of x? It should be minus 1 to 2. What are the values? It should be integer. X is an integer. So value should be minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So x has values -1, 0, 1, 2. Even the same value will be with y also, but how to pair it? Where when x will be -1, what will be y? We'll go for that first equation will go, that is x square plus y square, or I'll go this equation. Anywhere I'll put the equation to put the value of x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 2. So next, first I am putting x is equal to -1. So when I'll write x is equal to -1, this is 1 plus y square. -1 means plus 1 minus y is equal to 2. So I am getting y square minus y is equal to 0, or y into y minus 1 is 0. Getting x was -1, then I am getting y is equal to either 0 or y is equal to -1. So for x is equal to -1, I got y is equal to 0. For x is equal to -1, I got it is also, sorry, it is 1. It is 1. So there are two possibilities for x equal to -1. Then coming to 0, x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 0 plus y square plus 0 minus y is equal to 2, or I'll get y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this gives me y minus 2 into y plus 1 is 0, or y is equal to 2, y is equal to -1. So when x is equal to 0, y is 2. When x is equal to again 0, it is -1. So two more solutions. These are the solutions. X is equal to 1. This is also solution. Now coming to here, you can guess. That means without calculation, you can say what is the answer. So if we have finished 0, then I'll go for 1. X is equal to 1, then it will be 1 plus y square minus 1 minus y is equal to 2. Then I am getting same answer. Y square minus y minus 2 is 0, or y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1, I am getting 2. For 1, again I am getting 2. 1, I am getting 1. Or this was -1. Again I made a mistake. So 1 minus 1, because this gives us y minus 2 into y plus 1. So plus 1. So another value is, this is solution. What is the last solution? When x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, so this should be 4 plus y square minus 2 minus y is equal to 2. So y square minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. So again 2 0 2 1 are two more solutions. What are the final solutions? Let us write together. One was -0 minus 1 0. Next was 0 2 0 minus 1. Next is 1 2 1 minus 1. Next is 2 0 2 1. So let us make a solution statements. So x square plus y square is equal to x plus y plus 2. It has 8 pair of solutions. So x y solutions 2 0 2 1 0 2 minus 0 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2. Next is what else remain? 1 1 2 and 1 minus 1. Check once. 2 0 2 1, then 1 2 1 minus 1, then 0 2 0 minus 1, and last one which minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. This is minus 1 1 or 2. This is the solution. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you, viewers.